Hello everybody, welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to send bulk emails on HubSpot. Are you planning to reach out to a large group of clients? Or perhaps update your newsletter subscribers with the latest information? Maybe you want to spread the word about an exciting new service you offer. Well, this guide is just what you need. In today's video, we will walk you through a comprehensive process to send bulk emails using HubSpot. This platform is incredibly powerful for managing email campaigns efficiently and effectively, making sure your message reaches the right audience with ease. Let's get started with the first step. To begin with, you'll need to log into your HubSpot account. Once you've entered your credentials and accessed your dashboard, you will see a left sidebar filled with various options. Focus your attention there and hover over the section labeled Marketing. This section is your go-to place for managing anything related to email campaigns on HubSpot. As you hover, a list of options will appear. From this list, select Email. This option acts as your central hub for everything related to emails within HubSpot. Whether you're starting a new campaign or revisiting an existing one, this is the place to manage your bulk email sending process. Now, on to the next step, deciding whether to create a new email or use one of your existing drafts. If you're starting from scratch, HubSpot provides a variety of templates to help you get started, making the design and creative process much more seamless and less time-consuming. On the other hand, if you have an existing email draft you wish to use, simply select it from your list. This flexibility allows you to customize your email content to match your specific needs. Once you've got your email content set up just the way you like it, it's time to prepare for the actual sending process. Click on the button labeled Send to Plus. This is where you will specify your sending method. Since our goal is to send bulk emails, you'll want to choose the option to send to a list of contacts. If you already have a list compiled, whether it's your newsletter subscribers or another group of contacts, make sure it's ready to go within HubSpot. Proper segmentation is crucial here. It ensures that your email reaches the right audience, which maximizes engagement and effectiveness. Here's a helpful tip to keep in mind. HubSpot's free version allows you to send up to 2,000 emails each month. However, do note that these emails will include HubSpot branding, which is something to consider depending on your personal or business needs. With everything set up, the rest of the process is smooth sailing. Sending bulk emails through HubSpot can significantly enhance your ability to reach a broader audience and maintain consistent communication. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or someone just getting started, HubSpot's user-friendly interface makes email management not only efficient, but also enjoyable. Hopefully, this tutorial helped you understand how to send bulk emails on HubSpot quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like how to send bulk emails on HubSpot, be sure to subscribe to PMN Online.